So, if you've been thinking about buying a new construction home here in Apex, North Carolina, you're going to want to take a look at Horton Park by D.R. Horton's America's Builder. This community is stuck right off 1010 Road, which is really convenient location if you need easy access to major roads. So, whether you're commuting to work or just heading out to run errands, everything feels simple and close by. And that's one thing I always tell my clients. Location really matters. Here, you're just minutes away from grocery stores, restaurants, shopping, and even entertainment. That's everyday convenience and make your life easier. Today, I will show you a model home, and it's everything you need in a home. So stick around till the end of this video for the special financing available for you as well. Hey everyone, this is Anjanette, your local realtor here in the Triangle area of North Carolina. I help buyers find homes and also help people just like you to relocate to areas like Cary, Raleigh, Durham, Apex, and all the surrounding communities. So if you've been thinking about moving to North Carolina or you're just curious about new construction homes, this channel is all about living, working, playing, and owning real estate here in the Triangle. I walk you through different communities, model homes, and give you real feel of what it feels like to live here. So go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap that bell so you will be the first one to know when I release my new home tours and relocation tips. And whether you're ready, whether in 9 days, 90 days, or even 9 months, feel free to reach out so you can call me, text me, or send me an email. I get calls, texts, and emails for people just like you every day, and honestly, I love it. So stick around for the home tour. Welcome to Horton Park. This is the Stella floor plan, and it's the model home here. And it has about 4 bedroom, 3 bath, and about 2,300 square feet square footage living space. And of course, you know, Stella will have 2-car garage. So why don't we come in and I'll show you how it feels like in the inside. So come on in. Let me show you this Stella floor plan. Right away when you come in, this is your foyer. It's very nice. It's very welcoming. And then to the right side here is your guest bedroom. Look at the size of this room. It's really huge for a guest bedroom. You know, it has a nice, you can fit a really nice size bed here. And this dresser here is huge. One thing I really like about model homes is that they will give you an idea of what type of furniture, of size furniture you can bring in. Sometimes most of you have your own furniture, you just want to take in here, but at least, you know, it will give you an idea what size of furniture you can fit in here. And obviously this will have a full bathroom right here. But right now, it's being used as a model home, so they don't have a bathroom, but it's plenty of space here. So let's head in here to this coat closet on this side. And then as we come here, there's another bedroom here. This is 1 bedroom. It could be converted to your office as well if you want. You have a guest room and an office. And this also offers a closet for your clothes. Okay, so let's go towards here. Here is the convenience of a first floor living. Everything is kind of around here. Your washer and dryer is right here, so convenient. And then as we walk towards here, which is like this nice, beautiful gourmet kitchen here. Wow, look at this. I like that they have a gas stove here, microwave, and then your pantry, corner pantry here, very accessible to the kitchen. And your granite, no, this is actually quartz center island with a beautiful stainless steel sink right here. And it leads to your dining area right here. Very spacious. You can fit at least 8. This looks like it's 8 seating. So this is really very spacious dining area here. I like the fact that they have added couple windows here to make this living area, this area a lot brighter also. And look, before we head outside, let me just show you the rest of this floor plan. And to this corner, this area here is your living space. It's really nice, spacious, I like the fact that they use all this area here to put this L shape or, couch here. You can fit a lot of people here. And what a nice addition here that you have this fireplace for added coziness in those winter months that we have here. And let's go now to the primary bedroom. Wow. This primary bedroom is on the first floor, right? And look at the size of this primary bedroom. This is definitely a king-size bed right here. And look at the space. You can fit like really good size dressers here for added storage for you. This is a great idea. And look at the size of that, lamp. Nice window, big windows, 2 windows there, and a couple more windows here. Very bright, very bright primary bedroom. See, there's more room here. And let's go to the bathroom here, the primary bath. See, right away here, you are in the, this is the private water closet. And here on this corner is your shower. You can walk in here. Good size here, and 2 vanity sinks. And I like the space in between, very convenient. And to this side here, you get your linen closet here and your walk-in closet. So, all right. So let's head into the covered porch here for added living space. Look at the size of this porch here. They actually extended this for additional deck here for added more space here. This is so nice. This is a good idea actually for, if you want your grill here, you can have an outdoor dinner here in the summer months where it's nice to, have an outdoor, outdoor parties here or just gathering. So this is a good area here, good size. So do you want to see the second floor now? Come on, let's go. Look at this loft right here. This is so flexible. So here you can convert this to your game room or added space, TV room, whatever, game room. This is so flexible. But you can, you can come here now and we have one full bathroom here on this space right there. And look at this cozy bedroom here. So beautiful. You can fit like really, really nice, good size bed there. And look at the space. This is so spacious, this bedroom. And it offers behind you that walk-in closet as well. So convenient. This is overall, this is a very nice floor plan. Convenience of the first floor, living, and also if you have, this second floor plan offers another additional living for more space for you. So beautiful, so perfect. I like this floor plan. Price range in this community is about $605 to a little so lower. They gave more incentives and lowered the price to, right now, it says $605 to $610 for the price range. So, by the way, stick around for more information about this community and its amenities and the bonus. right, now let's talk about the location and lifestyle here because this is where Horton Park really stands out. One thing I always tell buyers that you can love about this home is the location, okay? And Horton Park is really conveniently located near Highway 50 to 5, so getting around Apex and the rest of the triangle is pretty easy. Whether you're commuting or just heading out for errands, it's very accessible. So you've also got fun spots nearby, like the Knights Play Golf Center. Park here is just minutes away. And if you travel, you're close to the RDU International Airport. This is really definitely a plus. And for everyday living, you got Pleasant Park and Beaver Creek Commons very close by here. Shopping centers, dining, or just getting out of the house, everything here is within reach. There will be also a pool and a bathhouse, plus walking trails that connect to the Middle Creek Greenway, perfect for getting outside and enjoying your day. And here's a little bonus for you. With the DHI mortgage, they're now offering interest rate as low as 3.875 for homes that can close through May. And they also have options of 4.99% for homes that can close through June. Both options receive 10,000 closing costs. Definitely something you can want to check. So if you're thinking about moving to Triangle, especially Apex and the nearby areas, and you want to see communities just like these with great location, please reach out to me anytime. You can call me, text me, or send me an email. I'd love to hear from you. So looking for and if you want to need help for processing it, just remember I help a lot of buyers relocation out of state, and there are many great options here in Apex, and this could be where you find your next home at Horton Park.
Keep it on repeat. Tested by the passion.